Hello everyone. Today we are going to study typecasting in Java. Typecasting means we convert one data type into another data type. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another primitive data type. In Java we have two typecasting, widening typecasting and narrowing typecasting. First one is widening typecasting. In widening typecasting, we convert smaller data type into larger data type. Example, short into character, int into long, and float into double. In widening typecasting, it done automatically. Automatically means if we have an integer value and we convert it into double value, so simply double is equal to int. Next one is narrowing typecasting. Narrowing typecasting means to convert larger data type into smaller data type. For example, double into float, int into char, short into byte. In narrowing typecasting, it is done by manually, means we have to define the type. Here I made a type conversion class and a function void main. Now we take an integer a is equal to 10 and we convert it into double b is equal to a, simply b is equal to a, and then system.out.print of a, then system.out.print of b, and run it. Here a is equal to integer type and now double b is equal to a, so integer convert into double, so 10.0. Now let us comment out and see narrowing casting. In narrow casting, we convert larger data type into smaller data type. So convert double b is equal to 8.78d and convert into int of a. So int and b. Now system.out.println of a and system.out.println of b, and run it. Here we convert double into integer. So first we print a is now a integer value. So thank you guys.